Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this ESR hybrid case for the Apple AirPods Pro. So here's the AirPods Pro. I think this case is kind of slick, and so I wanted to buy a case that I felt like it would feel more secure. It comes with this little cleaning tool, and I'll show you what this tool is. It's to help push it out. The first thing you're going to do is the lid comes off, take this plastic out. Now the front is where this little hole is. That's going to line up with the green light. So when we open it up, we'll be able to see the green light. Now the lid has some tape, two-sided tape. Peel this off. What I recommend is putting this in first like this. There's like some little grippers down there. Here's what it looks like. There's magnets right here. So you simply just push this in. We can see that green light now. It pokes through. This tool is if you need to remove the AirPods from the case, you're going to use this tool to push it up. Because if you don't, you could break the lid if you try pulling it up that way. These are just so slick. Now, take the case. There's going to be a cutout on one side. That's for the back. All right, where the hinge is. And that's the back where the magnet is. So take the case and then just kind of stick it on. And now when I open it, it's attached. I can see the green light. It still has the MagSafe capability. I can still put this on like a phone that I charge with MagSafe. It'll go through and wirelessly charge the device, or I can still charge it with USB-C right here. It's got a little lanyard. This is a really, really nice case. Now, it's got some grippy material to it. I like that it's got a color. I can easily find it. Super easy to open. Now this little tool here is to clean down in here, those little contacts and stuff. That's what this little tool is for. So I really do like this case. Let's do overall measurements, just in case you're curious. So right at 2 1/8 with the case on, 3 5/8 in thickness, 1 1/8 inch. And the lanyard's about 5.5 inches long. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.